Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna be installing a new hub that I received for the car. Well, not a new hub, a new quick release, and most of you guys probably know that follow this channel or just in general social media. We got ourselves a Battlecraft quick release, and I think they dropped the first drop and it sold out super fast, and then they dropped the second drop, sold out again super fast. I believe they had a total of like 300 units and they completely sold out. So I don't know when they're gonna release another one, but I got myself one and we're gonna be installing it on the TSX, of course. And before I show you guys the quick release, let me show you guys the plates that I made for the mirrors. I didn't film this on camera. One of those days where I just literally just cut it apart and then use some double-sided tape and some foam insulation tape. Not weather, like insulation tape. This is the plate that I got from Amazon. You can get these for like 20 bucks. You know, it all depends on what thickness you want and of course the size. And they are right here. Don't mind this. This is the wrap for the trim. I need to clean it up, but this is what you get. So it goes all the way back here, all the way here, and yep, it fills in that gap. You could use any type of material you want. You could do ABS plastic, but I decided to do the carbon sheet because, I don't know, it's a little bit cooler, I guess. But that's what it looks like. And then the mirrors, I still need to wire them up. I'll have a video of me wiring them up once the mirrors come in. So I actually found a pair of messed up mirrors on eBay for 20 bucks. So, well, 20 bucks each. It's a whole mirror assembly, but I'm just gonna cut the wire off and then I'm gonna show you guys how to wire that. I do have a friend in Japan. After he saw me get these mirrors, he actually found a set on Yahoo Auctions Japan and he bought them for his CSX. Or his CO9. And then he's just waiting for me to upload the video of me doing the wiring so he could do his, but he also still has to get his mirrors painted. So if you've seen this, just wait. But yeah, so minus this, I'll show you guys this in a bit. This is the Battlecraft quick release. It comes in this box right here. I already took it out. Came with some stickers. Battlecraft stickers, and of course their little like mascot, super cool. And this is the box that it comes with. Oh, and these are the boxes for my TEs, if you guys are wondering. Oh, the specs are behind there, but 17,922. All right, so what it comes with. This looks like a little spacer. This has Battlecraft on it, and then this is the quick release itself. Comes with all the hardware. The cool thing that I like is it actually came with black hardware. My Energy one that I'm using right now came with chrome, and it doesn't look right. It matches my shift knob, which isn't too bad because I have the spoon aluminum shift knob. And then if I pull this off, it's like that. So this quick release is an Energy one. Well, you guys can't see it, but it is an Energy quick release. Looks exactly like this. So a lot of people get the circular ones, but I end up getting this one. Works the same, but you just can't run a horn button. And you see this carbon fiber plate? That's where that's from. I decided to cut myself out a little carbon block off because I didn't have a horn button. But I think probably sometime this week I'm going to like drill out the holes a little bit or slot them so I can make this completely like centered or vertical, because you can see it's slightly, you know, to the right, but we'll fix this. And then let's open this up and see what it looks like. So I got it all out of the bag. You can see that they have Battlecraft Racing Systems engraved. This is the top where your wheel goes on top. This is the bottom. And first off, this thing has no play, which is really good. On the Energy ones, you can still have some play. It just really depends. With this one, there's literally no play. If I pop it open, oh, it's hard to do with one hand. There we go. So this is what goes onto your hub. Engraved, or it looks like Battlecraft's etched on the serial number for racing use only. And then, yeah, so this is the quick release. Super like snug fit. And then this right here goes on top of this. I'm assuming you could choose whatever way you want for the logo to face. Actually, hold on. No, there's only one way, so it goes this way. You can see all the hardware, and we're gonna pair this all up with my spoon wheel. A lot of you guys know that the Momo Monte Carlo is pretty much a spoon wheel, but when you buy a Momo Monte Carlo, they only sell them at 330 and 350. The only difference on the spoon is it's a 340. So it's like 10 millimeters smaller than a 350, 10 millimeters bigger than a 330. But yep, you can't really tell that it is. You can only do it by measuring it. And then most people run the horn button, but I just decided not to. And I do have the box down here. It just comes with this spoon sports sticker. So what I'm gonna do is take off these 6 Allens, and then we're gonna, let's see. Oh, I just realized their logo is on all 3 sides. That's cool. So we're gonna, let's see. Hold on a second. Let's check something real quick. Oh, okay. So this spacer right here is for Nardies. So OMP, Nardi, Keys Racing, all of those specific wheels and other ones. You can tell because the holes don't line up. So since I'm not using like a Nardi, which I kind of want a Nardi deep corn, or not a deep corn, but like a 330 deep corn or like 350 flat, then I would use this. But since this is a Momo wheel, Momo wheels, and I forgot the other wheels, but they all sit in a little bit shorter, so they're not as wide versus like these regular holes. So thanks Christian for including this. That's nice. If I end up switching wheels, most likely I will. So we're just gonna mount the steering wheel to this, and then of course this goes straight to my hub. I'm trying to look for a Workspell short hub, the slim ones. So if anyone's selling one, let me know. EK, S2000, I think RSX, all fits the TSX, is all the same. But for now, we're just gonna use my current energy hub. Pull this off, put the plate on. Either I keep this plate or I just let it show the Battlecraft parts. But we'll see. I might just end up using this plate because I already made it. Before I get to mounting the Battlecraft one, I just want to compare it to the energy one. So I've been using this before they released this, and I got this like when I first got my car a while back. So it's very, I want to say similar, but the design and the mechanism of how it latches on is similar. But this one, you could tell that by the quality, like the finish, it doesn't look as nice as the Battlecraft one. And this is an energy one. See right here. So, but and then this one right here feels way more rigid, more solid. This right here feels nice, but it feels really loose. All right, enough of comparing these two. Let's throw this on. So either I put it like this or like this. It's not the greatest, but it works. You know what? This is so cool to see, but I'm just gonna use the carbon plate. Voila! So the quick release is on. I mean, I still have to mount the base, but I decided to kind of like rotate the carbon, so now it just goes this way, and now it looks way better. I think I might run Home Depot or Lowe's and get shorter hardware because you can kind of see that the hardware is pretty long. But I'm just assuming that's because of, where's it at? Because of this spacer. Yeah, anyways, so we're gonna go get shorter hardware like this probably tomorrow, but let's go ahead and put this in. I actually need the correct Allens somewhere in here. Oh, I forgot to mention, for Christmas I got these gifts, including this little chair down here, which is super handy for detailing and just work on the car. My brother actually got me a Mugen Raider cap, Mugen reservoir cover. He got me one of these because I think was it the clutch one? It it doesn't fit this. And then he also got me Joey's plate frame, which sold out like crazy, to go along with the stickers. And then this I'm super happy about. This is ratcheting wrenches because I've been needing these and I just haven't like been able to go out and see if there's a good deal. Husky, honestly, I've been using Huskies for like a while now, and their tools are very reputable and they're very they're good quality, and also they have warranty. But this one goes for metric, pretty much what we goes up to 15. And then these stubby ones are super handy. Sometimes you never know when you need a small wrench. And of course, it came in 10, 11, 13, 14. Oh, there's no 12? Damn, that's unfortunate. Oh, at least it has this. But yeah, I need to order some more of these pegboard hooks. This style, or maybe a different type that I know there's some that has like a little like a little thing right here that so sticks it and doesn't move. So I might just buy those and just hold up or put up all my wrenches, because currently I have like random stuff as filler, as you can see, like these coilover bottom hats, whatever, spacers that I'll never probably use. These are 5mm, but yeah, I'll probably put this on some other time. I still need to get the correct USDM to JDM, or JDM to USDM plate bracket, because I'm just using a makeshift bracket right now. It'll be a lot easier once I put this, or once I get that correct bracket, it'll be easier to put the plate frame on. But the steering wheel is good, looking super cool. And then now this is pop that in. Oof, that is so bright. Anyways, this is the Energy one, and the Battlecraft one's going up, and then I'm currently using Energy Hub. Wow, this light is way too bright. It is on. Sorry about the light placement. This light's way too bright. But I love how the Battlecraft one fits exactly like to the Energy Hub. And it pretty much fills it in more, and it just looks badass. So now, putting the spoon wheel on, just like that. Now these type of quick releases is not the same as like the other Energy one where you can spin it and it'll click. These ones you actually have to pull the lever, or not the lever, pull that, and if you do this, it won't go in unless you pull it, or latch it in. But a spoon steering wheel with a carbon delete with the Battlecraft quick release and Energy Hub. Yeah, I definitely do want a different hub. And the cool thing about the T-Sax is that this whole steering column is telescopic, so I can loosen this, I could push it in, pull it out. And the cool thing about that is I literally could use any long hub or whatever, and I don't have to worry about it being too close to me. And the cool thing about that is I could use any hub, any quick release, whatever, and I can always push it in more or pull it out if it's too close or too far, which is the cool thing. But that's it for this video. But cool hub, really good quality, and huge shout out to Christian over at Battlecraft. Now to clean up again. You can see I've been buying stuff. Oh, and this is the insulation tape that I was talking about. Let's see. Yeah, weather seal rubber foam tape. I bought 2 just in case it wasn't enough, but I barely used like a foot of it. Really sticky. And then you peel this off. It's not double-sided adhesive, it's just one-sided, but this is just, it gives that nice little seal. So that's what I use for the mirror plate, so water and stuff doesn't get in. But that's it, guys. Don't set it, just keep building. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.